information. So tell me, what was your expectation when we started?
I wanted to get rid of the heart palpitations that I was having
How long you have been having this?
for years,
Like, can you put a number?
about 7 years.
7 years, and you're on medications and stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what, when you went in today to this session, which like, just quick one we did, right? So what, did you think anything would happen?
No, I didn't think the heart palpitations were going to go away.
Okay, and now what happened when we did the session?
It felt weird.
In what way weird? Explain to
Like,
me in your words.
Like a relaxing, like something was being lifted, like, I don't know, it was like strange.
And then the palpitation went away.
Yes, ma'am.
And how, when I started compared to when it finished, like, at what point did you feel it change?
When you started going down towards the like the bottom of my back, that's when I
So when
felt
I
like
touched
some-
your back heart, that's when it
Yeah,
happened?
It started
Okay.
like something felt like it was coming out, like bad
Isn't that
demons or
amazing?
something. It was weird.
Actually, I learned this technique, it was given to me like 4 days ago.
Nice.
In energy, somebody taught me. But what I'm doing is, it's called Akashic record. We have emotions buried, like we have our energy self. So I go there and read you and also reset you. So one thing I'm seeing is in energy, when I was reading, you feel like a one-winged angel, like you are doing so much nice, beautiful things, but the other wing is missing. Meaning, like, you're so responsible for so many people. I feel you don't have the good support on the other side. And that's what is overwhelming, because you're doing everything correct, but it's not in balance because you don't have your other half to support. And that comes maybe because, like, sometimes things take time. So the place is empty now, but it will get filled in at the right time. You just have to hold the spot and just go on, but eventually it's going to correct itself. That's what I saw. The other thing is, because of that, it causes lots of frustration for you. The frustration is what you bury there, and that is what is causing you to lose sleep. You're not getting enough sleep. You're worrying so much, you're staying awake, so your body is not getting nurtured. This is what I saw in the upper level. These are 3 different centers. I don't know about the energy centers. Up we have 3 centers: crown, forehead, and ajna. But most of the problem is coming from ajna, which is like your ego center. And I think once you understand and be humble about it, it'll correct itself. So frustration is because you want your life to be different from what has given you. So if you fight, you're like a salmon, you're going against the stream. But instead, if you accept, it's not going to be that difficult. That's one thing. When I came down, I saw your heart was spinning out of control. Maybe because you are like doing too many things. So I reset it. And I learned how to do this because just like I said, 3 days ago, I was awake and somebody showed me how to do it in energy. And you are my first one who I'm doing it.
Yeah, it felt good though. Like that.
And it went away?
Yeah.
Because they showed me how to do it.
Yeah.
It felt like a roulette table. So they showed me when the roulette table is being spinning to do the opposite, so it'll calm down. So I spun it the other way around, anti-clockwise, until it became calm. So that's what I did.
I do a lot by myself. I'm a single mom, owning my own house and everything. Yeah, so
But now you feel all right?
Yeah, I feel better though. At least that pain in my chest is gone. Thank you.
Isn't that amazing?